Hi you guys, we have made it to Dubai for the first leg of our honeymoon. Me and Zay are here at the W Dubai, the Palm. We want to give you guys a quick room tour of our suite. So we're staying at the Marvelous Suite and it's absolutely fabulous. Okay, so right outside our room, I'll just show you guys, it has the capability to put it on mode so people won't disturb you, and it also has this style mode so people actually clean up the room if you have those two on. But for now, we're just gonna go in. Okay. So as you enter, so this is a big welcoming area, just some free space. As you come into the room, we have an actual wall set up, so at the W hotels, none of this stuff is free. Obviously, if you use it, you'll have to pay. So if you come on in, this is like a actual bar and party area. So here we have a record player where you can actually play the records. They give you just a few, but I don't know those people, they're kind of old. And they give you a Bose speaker. The guy actually said we can play it as loud as we want to. And here we have this really cool light. We actually turned it off, but it's really dope lighting. So it does seem like a more of a disco type of area or feel. And right over here, we have like a table. Now I said we can have about 10-15 guests in here with all the space that we have under the table. And of course it's our honeymoon, so as welcome gifts they gave us this chocolate cake. We have the roses, you know guys, I had a rose bouquet for the wedding and I'm obsessed with roses at this point. And then there's something here, not sure, maybe it's a chocolate, it smells like a chocolate. It says Credit Suisse 100 grams of fine gold, so maybe we'll eat that, maybe we won't. I will say that I am a titanium member with Marriott, so for you guys who do have some status with Marriott, your welcome gift, you normally can get the breakfast of like points, but here you can get points, or you can get your choice of wine, coconut water, or Sprite, or 7-Up, and you can get a choice of this hummus and some sticks, we ate them already, or some stuffed olives, or some cheese. So we have our little wine set up and our hummus. So that's what we're gonna snack on. This is the rest of the living room area, guys. So it's just Zay and I, but we have this big sofa where we can stretch out, a nice cool table. We don't have anything on the table, but everything is decorated nicely. That's one of the reasons why we love the W Hotel, because it's age friendly for what we like, and there's always parties going on. Now, come into the bedroom. So, first things first, the actual tub has this sofa around it, so I can lounge, or I can actually get in the tub and sip wine, anything of that nature. Again, we have another TV here, and then we have this gorgeous setup. It's a nice bed, nice lighting around the bed. Again, from here, we can also go outside onto the balcony as well. And then coming here into the bathroom, I know ladies love the bathrooms, right? So we have the double vanity, nice mirrors, and a wonderful setup. Again, if you come here, you can see this entire area is set for the showers. So there's overhead showers in there, as well as a place to sit. Okay, and over here, before I go into the bathroom, these controls all of the lights. So runway, the shower, vanity, you can control the lights from here. So if you come into the bathroom, it's also a separate room. There's a traditional toilet, and then I'm not sure what this is called. but I'm pretty sure it's used to spray your bottom. We won't be using that at all, but it's pretty neat that they have that. Okay, and then another walkway area. This is the closet and storage area. There's mirrors all the way across here. We have the makeup area, perfect lighting, mirrors, places to put the luggage. This also connects to our room, and inside we have the wonderful robes. So can't wait to put these on and rise and shine in the morning. We'll do some more tours of the outside area. Okay guys, so that concludes my quick room tour of the marvelous one-bedroom suite at the W Dubai The Palm. As of date, the hotel is still very new compared to other hotels on the Jumeirah Palm, but it's definitely worth the stay. Be sure to leverage your Marriott Bonvoy memberships if you have them to get more out of your stay. And lastly, be sure to subscribe to this channel for upcoming vlogs of our time in Dubai.